Alrighty guys, we are here. We're gonna try and get some pond hopping in today. Start off with the stupid tube. Let's see if we can get us a bass. So stay tuned and hopefully we can get us some fish today. We landed on one, guys. Thing hit as soon as we hit the water. Chatterbait. Ain't happy either. Number one on the day. There we go, guys. On a chatter donkey. I'll get him undone. There we go. Sweetness. Another one, guys. He likes his chatterbait. Same size, back-to-back cast. Okay. Be a chatterbait day. It can be a chatterbait day. Little guys, but they're still fun. Another one, guys. Oh, let go of the chatterbait. Oh, no, it didn't. Another one ate it. Are you kidding me? That's how they're fighting for this thing. I'll take it. Got him. Little dink, but it's a fish nonetheless. That might be a little better one, guys. Fighting harder. Nope. He's the same. Man, we're cleaning up shop with this, so we are cleaning up shop with this JackHammer. Another one, guys. Dang. It's 5 of them. JackHammer. A little better, I think. Yeah, he might keep in a tournament. I'll say he was a keeper. Let's get a weight on him. Something like that. $1.5. Locked. Alright, 6 fish, first keeper. There we go. There's one. This one will not keep, but it is a fish. It is a fish. Got him. Number 7. There's one, guys. Might be a keeper. Feels a little better. I think he will keep. Number 8 on the day. Got him. Way out there. I'm afraid he is not going to keep either. Number 9. Whoa. Number 9 on the day, though. We'll take it. It might be a little better, guys. Number 10 on the day. He'll keep in a tournament. He'll keep. It's 1 ounce off. Alright, thanks, dude. Guys, I don't know if that's a bass. Foul bass, that's what it is. That'll keep. It's our best of the day. A little bit sideways. But we'll take him, guys. Number 11.